was that? Jesus. Alright, today I'm gonna take you on a tour of a quick POV. Running some errands this morning. This is where the car usually sits, but I've been warming it up for the last couple of hours. So yeah, let's get in. I am obviously sitting on winter tires, which are 255 wide all across. The car is very, very dirty because it is getting daily driven. Love this exhaust. And let's go for a drive. Yes, very, very dirty inside. But it's a driver's car. Traction control fully off. Even in cold temperatures, I try to keep it off because it's more fun that way. When you step on the gas a little bit too hard, the back gets away from you. Oh, that was a patch of ice. This is my mini racetrack. This is the corkscrew at Laguna Seca. Whew. And here I try to pick race lines every time I drive through this area. These are my racing lines. If this was a racetrack, this is how I would take it. Easily spinning tires in second gear, easily. Again, we don't know if there's any ice on the road, so we've got to be very careful. You can hear the sound coming from the front. That's the intakes. I'm running Arma intakes, and the exhaust is an active autowork mid-pipe, single mid-pipe, and a custom cut Akrapovich exhaust or muffler. And the car moves. It really does move. We cannot go 100%, or at least nearly to 100%, because of the snowy and icy conditions on the road. Little grip in these tires when it's cold. What the f was that? Jesus! Are you kidding me? Wow. And this is what I do at a stop sign. Radio off. Practicing my shifts. And there's some dust in there. Alcantara. Have you seen this video of my hack? If you haven't, I'm gonna link it below and maybe above. Awesome solution. Oh, we almost whipped the tail. That would have been bad. So yeah, there's no grip in first or second gear when the temperatures are low, even if you're running winter tires. So you got to be very gentle with the throttle. Although it does make driving a lot of fun. A lot of fun. No, these are slow roads. It's still good to practice your racing lines. This is a one-way street. This is how I figured it out. You go straight here, you stay on the right, hold it. There's a dip over here where the car's gonna compress, but then you hit the inside, come outside a little bit, hit the sign, and then go inside and hit the chicane, hit the inside and come out on the outside, just to go to the right again. I love this thing. And we're back. We're gonna leave the car on the side because we're gonna be doing some work in the garage. This is where she sits when she's not in the garage. This camera, amazing. Let's just take a look at the car. See, because I have my mud flaps, even though we drove through some shady terrain, see the side of the car remains clean. The back obviously gets dusty, but even the back flaps really help. Yeah, the fans are still running. The car is cooling off, even though it's 15 degrees out. Yeah, I love this thing. See, I mean, look how amazing these things are. Dirty.